Domino's has evolved over the course of several years. It has become a technology company making a pizza. The backbone of the success has been technology enabling franchisees to deliver pizza with great taste. Data is at the core of making the decisions. My team and I have been focused on ensuring that the data pipelines are running smoothly. Control M is a glue to the technology stack that Domino's data warehouse uses. It enables orchestration of data pipelines, enabling the data to arrive from various sources and transform and get loaded in timely manner into core warehouse. We have established resources within Control M for critical jobs. Control M plays a vital role in ensuring that we are handling them with the priority and accuracy. Control M enables the reports that are vital and critical to not only our senior leadership, but also franchisees. Data operation team not only works within at Domino's data warehouse, which includes data engineering, DBAs, data reporting team, but we also partner with supply chain, ERP, SAP, and also marketing teams. We also enable our data science organization, which helps create various campaigns to gain new customers and retain the customers that we currently have acquired. It also allows for our network operations center to be notified of a critical issue in case a job fails. Having the system that is sophisticated enough to just alert us with exceptions or notifications with potential issues help us execute seamless data pipeline across the platform. I am astonished every single day as I learn of new features that are being built across technology. And it's amazing how we've come such a long way.